Good morning, my dear students. I am Neha Sharma from DAV Police Public School. Today we will discuss about the chapter 10 of 7th class, the rise of small kingdoms in North India. In our previous video, we have already discussed about the Rashtrakutas, the Palas, and today we will discuss about the Pratiharas from Avanti, the southern Rajasthan and Gujarat area. Okay. They belong to Gujarat and southwestern part of Rajasthan. That's why they are known as Gurjara Pratiharas. Okay, and they ruled over Gujarat and Rajasthan. The founder of the Pratihara Empire was Nagabhatta I. Let's recapitulate our previous topics. Who was the founder of Rashtrakutas? Danti Durg was the founder of Rashtrakutas. And who was the founder of Palas? There was a Gopala. Okay, so Gopala and Danti Durg, and in Pratiharas, Nagabhatta I is the founder of Pratihara Empire. Yes, then the greatest ruler of Pratiharas was Mihir Bhoj. Okay, and in Palas the greatest ruler was Dharampala, and in Rashtrakutas the greatest rulers were Govinda III and Amogh Varsha. So side by side we will recapitulate our previous topics also. Mihir Bhoj, who was the greatest ruler in Pratiharas, he conquered the Kanauj around 836 Common Era, and the continuous battle weakened the Pratiharas, because all these three empires, Pratiharas, Palas and Rashtrakutas, they are continuously immersed in wars. So they weakened the Pratihara Empire, and it broke into number of small kingdoms. The 5 kingdoms which emerged from the Pratihara Empire were Chauhans from Rajasthan, Garhwals from Kanauj, and Solankis of Gujarat, and Parmaras of Malwa, and Malwa is in MP, and Chandels of Bundelkhand, it is also in MP, Madhya Pradesh. So now let's discuss about the qualities of these Pratihara rulers. Right, these Pratihara rulers were great warriors, and they fought many battles against Palas and Rashtrakutas. Most importantly, the brave Pratiharas stopped the Arab invaders for near about 300 years. Right, only the western part of our country, the area of Punjab, Gujarat and Rajasthan, that is the area in the past from where the invaders enter in our country. So the brave Pratihara stopped the Arab countries to enter in our India, so that they can stop the invasions. Okay, like Palas and Rashtrakutas, Pratiharas were also great supporters of art and literature. Okay, and King Mihir Bhoj himself was known as a well scholar, and at the time of Pratiharas, regional languages like Marathi and Gujarati were very developed languages. Regional languages means local languages of that area. Okay, and Bengali, Assamese become popular in eastern part of India. In western part, Marathi and Gujarati were popular, and in eastern part, Assamese and Bengali were popular languages. The beautiful temples were built at the time of Pratiharas, like Khajuraho temple and Kanchipuram temple. There are so many temples in Puri, and Konark temple were built during the time of Pratiharas. The art of miniature painting also started during the period of Pratiharas. Art of miniatures means beta a small painting that executed with great details, small paintings like we used in books. Now we will discuss about our next topic, that is tripartite struggle. What does it mean? It means a struggle or a war between 3 parties. In medieval period, Kanauj was considered as a symbol of power in northern part of India. So because it is the symbol of power, so all these 3 kingdoms, Rashtrakutas, Palas and Pratiharas, always busy, always continuously immersed in wars. Okay, because all these kingdoms want to possess Kanauj. The struggle of between these three kingdoms, known as tripartite struggle, each of them succeeded Kanauj and occupy Kanauj one by one in turns, as they were almost at par in military strength. But continuous battle between these three kingdoms finally lead to decline of all these three great powerful kingdoms. These kingdoms disintegrated into many small kingdoms within a period of 100 years only. So now we know what was the main reason of decline of these three great empires of North India, Palas, Rashtrakutas and Pratiharas. The main reason was the continuous battles. Okay, and this is all for today, and next we will study in our next class. Thank you so much.